Hey guys, so recently the battery in both of my key fobs for my 2011 Hyundai Equus died, so now when you press the button, it no longer unlocks or locks the car, and when you get into the car to start it with the push button, it says the key is not there. So a lot of people online have said that, oh, you have to go to the dealership to do that because they have to reprogram your key when they replace the battery, but that is a fallacy. That's not true at all. There may be some cars where that is the case, but it is not the case for all cars for sure. I know that some cars like BMWs, you have to reprogram the key, but you can actually reprogram that key yourself using the technology that's built into those cars. So definitely look into whether or not you can reprogram a key yourself, or if you even have to reprogram a key if you're just replacing the battery. So I'm going to show you now how to replace the battery yourself. It's a lot simpler. It's just replacing a battery. It's really simple. So the first thing you're going to want to do on a lot of these smart keys is take out the actual key. So if you don't know, a lot of keys have a button or some type of switch. My Mercedes that I used to had like a switch that you had to pull. This Hyundai key has a button, so you hold down the button and then you can pull this out. And then this is how you actually get into the car when the remote is not working. So now that that's out, you can see that there is a slot up here. So let's see if I can get this closer. So this slot, you can kind of see there's a seam here. You're actually going to just take a flathead screwdriver, stick it into this slot. You can hold the key like this and just twist it. Twist the screwdriver and the key should come apart. Oop. So you can see the different pieces here. This is the part that goes in as a separator. Then here's the circuit board, which is how the buttons communicate wirelessly with your car. And then this is the back here, and as you can see here, the back, this little disc here, that is a I think a C2032 or 2023 battery. I'll be able to tell you in just a second. To get this out, you can take a smaller flathead screwdriver and just pop it out like that. So this is a C2032 battery. It's a Panasonic battery. And to replace that, I went and bought from Home Depot a pack of Duracell C2032 batteries. And I'm going to go ahead and install it now. That's not really, there you go. So once that is installed, you can take the board, put it back, and then just reinstall the back plate with the battery in it. And that's it. After that, you should be able to lock and unlock and start your car again. In this case, like I said, 2011 Hyundai Equus. I did not have to reprogram this at all. I did this with my other key fob earlier, and as soon as I replaced the battery, my lock and unlock and starting the car worked right away. So if you guys have key fobs that run out of battery, don't run to the dealership. They're going to quote you a ridiculous amount. I think my dealership quoted me like $150 to replace the battery in the key fob, and they did claim that it had to be reprogrammed, but that was not true at all. They will say stuff like that just so that you pay them more than the job is actually worth. So I got a 4-pack of these C 2023 or 2032 batteries from Home Depot for $11.17. And how long did that take? This video is only 4.5 minutes long so far. It took me maybe 60 seconds to replace that battery. So definitely go ahead and do this yourself. This is not something you want to take to the dealership. If you do replace the battery and your key fob still doesn't work, you probably need to get your key programmed. You should look up for your model car to see if you can do that yourself. I know on BMWs it is very easy to do. I don't know about other manufacturers, but definitely look into doing that before you go and spend, 50 to however money, $300, $400 that the dealership is going to want to charge you for a really simple task like this. All right, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already for more Equus and tech content, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.